Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve this set. Before watching the entire video, first try this set on your own. I hope you have tried it. Let's begin the solution. 7%, these are the names given, have different number of Kit Kat and Perk chocolates. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chocolates of both types, not necessarily in the same order. So this much from this much data, I have made this table that there are 7% and they have Kit Kat and Perk among them and the total number of chocolates they have. No two person have same number of chocolates of same type. This sentence means if Ashu has 5 Kit Kat, then none of the other person will have 5 Kit Kat. This is not possible. So everyone will have a unique number of chocolates of each category. Okay. Next sentence. I have read this sentence. Next point. Only Anuj had same number of both chocolates. So if Anuj has X number of Kit Kat, he will have X number of Perk. He has same number of both chocolates and the total will be 2x. And only Anuj has same number of both the chocolates. None of the other person has the same number of both chocolates. So I'm done with this statement also. Next point. Karan has 4 more chocolates than Ram. So Karan have 4 more chocolates than Ram. So if Ram have Ram has one chocolate, then Karan will have 5 chocolate. 1 plus 4 is 5. Similarly, if Ram has 2, Karan will have 6. If Ram have 3, Karan will have 7. Now 4 and 8 is not possible because there are no 8 chocolates as such. So we are done with these many possibilities with Ram and Karan of Kit Kat. So I'm done with this statement also. Moving on to the next statement. Only Nikhil and Ram's sum of both chocolate is same. So only Nikhil and Ram's total is same. Sum of both chocolate is same and none of the other person has same number of total. Okay. Karan's total number of chocolate is twice Amit's total number of chocolate. So if Amit have Z number of total chocolate, Karan will have 2Z. That's what given in this statement. So I'm done with this one also. Next one, the number of Kit Kat chocolates of Nikhil was equal to the number of Perk chocolate of Parth. So number of Kit Kat chocolate of Nikhil, this value, and number of Perk chocolate with Parth is same. So this value and this value is same. That's why I've kept like this, a denotation that I have taken. I'm done with this also. Path has a total of 11 chocolates of both type. Path has 11 of both type, which means the sum of chocolate with Path is 11. Now over here, what we can do, we can make possibilities like this. If Path has 4 Kit Kat, he will have 7 per. If 5, then 6. If 6, then 5 and 7 and 4. These are the only 4 possibilities of chocolate that Path can have. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and over here 7, 4, 7, 6, 5, and 4. If this is 7654, this will be 7654 as well because both the values are same, 7, 6, 5 or 4. We don't know what is the exact value. I'm just putting the possibilities. 6 is done. Okay. Not more than 2% have less Perk chocolate than Anuj. What does this sentence mean? Not more than 2% have less Perk chocolates than Anuj. So Anuj can have a maximum of 3 Perk chocolates. Then only he will have 2% below him. He cannot have 4 Perk chocolates. If he had 4 chocolates, Perk chocolates, then there will be 3% below him, which is violating this condition. So a maximum of 3 Perk chocolate that can Anuj have. So these are the possibilities of Anuj 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. If this is 1, 2, 3, the sum will be what? 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So these are the possibilities of total number of chocolate that Anuj can have. I have erased that XX 2x part. This point is done. Next point. The number of Perk chocolates of Ram was twice the number of Kit Kat chocolates owned by him. So the number of Perk chocolate of Ram is twice the Kit Kat. So this will be 2, 4 or 6. So we are done with all the statements. We have filled the data what's been given over here. Now we just have to solve this table. Okay. So if this is 1, then this will be 2, the sum will be 3. If this is 2, this will be 4, the sum will be 6. If this is 3, Perk will be 6, the sum will be 9. So this is 3 or 6 or 9. The same way, this will be 3 or 6 or 9. All right. Now, there is an important catch over here that the minimum value of KitKat with Nikhil is 4. Minimum value of KitKat with Nikhil is 4. And let's say the minimum value of Perk with Nikhil will be 1. So the minimum total will be 5 of Nikhil. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So the minimum value of total number of chocolate that Nikhil can have is 5. But over here, there is a 3 possibility. So we will eliminate this 3 possibility because the minimum is 5. If I have removed 3, then I can remove this also, 2 and 1. If 1 is not there, then Karan will not have 5 number of chocolates. Okay. Now, there are none of the other numbers that I can eliminate. 2, 3, 6. Okay. So what we can do, we have to consider one of the possibility. I can see Ram's entire column is filled and there are only 2 possibilities. We can eliminate, we can work on that parameter. So if I assume, I'm assuming one value. Ram has 2 KitKat. This is the assumption that I'm taken. So then he will have 4 Perk and a total of 6. If this is 6, this has to be 6. Okay. But if total of Nikhil is 6, then this cannot be 7, this cannot be 6. Because 6 plus something will be more than 6. That's why I've eliminated that 7 and 6. Okay. And if this is 2, this will be eliminated. Okay, fine. What else can we do? Okay. If this is 5, this has to be 1 or else 2. 1 or 2. And the total will become 6. Then let's see what else can we assume. What else can we do? We have 4 over here. 4 cannot come over here. We have to eliminate these 2 also because both these things are interrelated. I have removed 4 from here. I have to remove 4 from here. I have to remove 2 from here. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. And I am left with 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. If this is 6, this has to be 7. If this is 1, this will be 3. And if this is 3, this has to be 3 and a total of 6. Now, I have just eliminated the various possibilities and I have reached up till here. But you can see that 6, 6, 6. 3 people have same number of total. But over here it's given that only Nikhil and Ram's total is same. Only Nikhil and Ram. There is no other person who have same number of chocolates. So the assumption that I have taken initially was wrong. Okay. So what was the initial assumption? That Ram has 2 KitKat. This was my initial assumption. So that initial assumption was wrong, and I can verify that Ram has 3 KitKat and 6 Perk and a total of 9 chocolates. If this is 9, this has to be 9. Okay. And if this is 3, this has to be 7. So I'm done with couple of fixed data. If this is 3, this has to be, this will be eliminated, this will be eliminated, this will be eliminated. Okay. If over here I have 6, I cannot put 6 over here. I cannot put 6 over here. I cannot put 5 over here. 7 is with Karan. 7 will not come over here. 4 will not come over here. 4 will not come over here. Now we have very less possibilities. 3, 7, there is no 3, 7. Yeah, there is 7 over here. I can eliminate this 7 also. This is eliminated, this is also eliminated, and this is also eliminated. So we have now fixed number of data. And if this is 5, this has to be 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 3 plus 6 is 9. And 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay, what else can we do? One, 2, 6, yeah. And this is the up till here we have reached. Now what else? I am left with what are other numbers over here? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 7. This can be 1, 2, 3, 7. And before writing this thing, just a little bit information. This number is even. 2 into something is an even number. So 7 plus this value is even. From here I can deduce that this has to be an odd number. This perk of Karan is an odd number. Okay, so this is an odd number. What are the possibilities of odd number? 1, 3, 5 has been covered over here, and I cannot put 7 because only Anuj had same number of chocolates, so 7 cannot come over here. So the sum of chocolate with Karan is 8 or 10. These are the possibilities. If this is 8, this has to be 4. If this is 10, this has to be 5 because Amit's total is half of Karan's total. Okay, so we have reached up till here. Now let's see the per column and what are the numbers left. We are left with 1 is not fixed up till now. We are left with 2, we are left with 3, and we are left with 7. If I consider this 7, I have 2 spots to fill 7. Ask yourself, can 7 come over here? The answer is no. Why no? Because 7 plus something will become more than 7, but we have only 4 or 5, so 7 cannot come over here, and the only place where we can place 7 is Ashu, Perk. So this is 7, and this will be 1, 2, or 3. These are a couple of possibilities. Okay, and over here I have 1, 2, or 4. Similarly, 1, 2, or 4. These are the possibilities that I can have. Now again we have to take some assumption. Let me take Anuj has 1 Kit Kat, 1 Perk, a total of 2. This is my assumption. Let's validate this assumption. Okay, so if this is 1, this cannot be 1. This cannot be 1. If this is 1, this cannot be 1, and this cannot be 1. Now I have 3 over here. 3 cannot come over here. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So 6 is not there, so we can eliminate 4. But we are getting 2 and 2. Both the parameters of Amit is same, which is violating this condition. Only Anuj had same number of chocolates. So the initial assumption that I have taken was incorrect. Okay, I have to go back to the initial assumption and I have to erase now 1. And this is my final value of Anuj. 2 and 2, that is 4. If 2 is over here, I can remove 2 from here. Okay, then what else? See, 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 4 is 11. But 11 is already over here with path, so 11 cannot come over here. and we will have a total of 8 in Ashu. 7 plus 1 is 8. If this is 1, this has to be 4. Okay, then what else? If this is 8, this cannot be 8. So we can remove 8 from here, and we will have 7 and 3, a total of 10. And 3 and 2 is gone. So we will have 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So now we are done with this set. We have filled every uh, places, and we can have the answers that's been given in the questions. Okay, I hope you have understood this set, and thank you for watching this video.